All right, page 2. It says given ray BH, there's a tiny little arrow there, bisects angle EBC and measurement of angle EBH equals 6x plus 12 and measurement of angle HBC equals 8x minus 10. Prove that x equals 11. Take a second, pause your video, write your whole first step down as you're given. Okay, now that you've written your whole first step down, and if you haven't, pause the video because I'm going to move on. We're going to go ahead and just sketch the picture. So BH bisects this large angle. So we have angle EBC. And it's bisected by BH. Well, the word bisect itself tells us that these two things are congruent. Cool. Okay, so now EBH is 6x plus 12. HBC is 8x minus 10. And that's all I'm given. Okay, I'm not given the whole, so I can't do part plus part equals whole. However, I do know that because this is bisected, these two pieces are the same, so I could set them equal. So step 2. I'm going to write out that these two angles are equal to each other. In order to plug something in and start doing the math, I need to say that measurement of angle EBH is equal to measurement of angle HBC. How do I know that? Because it says bisects. So definition of angle bisector. And that again was in your definition side. Now let's go ahead and plug these segments in. So, these measurements in. So EBH, that is 6x plus 12. HBC, that is 8x minus 10. So substitution. Step 4. Now I'm going to start moving my terms around. So let's go ahead and check. We're trying to get x equals 11, so that means we want our on the left. So here I have two x's. Instead of moving the 6, I'm going to save myself a step, and I'm going to move the 8 so I don't have to flip at the end. So I'm going to subtract 8 on both sides. So subtraction, POE. So 6 minus 8 is negative 2x, drop down plus 12, equals negative 10. Step 5. Now I'm trying to get x alone so I can move the 12. I would be subtracting 12 on both sides. So again, it would be subtraction, POE. Because these are both the same step, I could have done them in the same step. So you would have one less step on your proof. Negative 10 minus 12 is negative 22. One more step to get x alone. Divide both sides by negative 2, so x equals 11. Division POE. Number 4, take a second, pause the video, and write out your given step. Okay, now that you've written out the whole given, let's draw the picture. It says C is on the interior of ABD. So we have angle ABD. C is on the interior. It's not saying it's cutting it right in half, so that means we have this ray and C somewhere in the middle. Angle ABC is 14x minus 5. Angle CBD is 3x plus 18. Angle ABD, the whole thing, is 12x plus 53. All right, so I don't know anything about these two parts. However, I do know that I have two parts and the whole. And I know that this part plus this part will equal the entire angle. So I'm going to use That is my addition. So let's go ahead and write that out. So step 2, we have measurement of angle ABC plus measurement of angle CBD equals measurement of angle ABD. Angle, addition, postulate. Step 3. Now let's plug in the numbers, and that would be called substitution. So we have 14x minus 5 plus 3x plus 18 equals 12x plus 53. The next step on the left-hand side, we got a lot going on. We have to combine our like terms. So that would be simplify. 14x plus 3x is 17x. Negative 5 plus 18. I'm going left to right. I'm not using inverses. I'm on the same side as the equal sign. So negative 5 plus 18 is a positive 13. Drop down equals 12x plus 53. Double checking. They're asking us to prove that x equals 8. So that tells me keep your x on the left. So 5, step 5. We want to move this 12x to the left. So 17 minus 12x is 5x. Well, I see that I can also move this 13 to the right because they're both subtraction, right? I move that 12 with subtraction. Property of equality. So if I move this 13 to the right side, because I want to get my variables on one side, numbers on the other, if I move the 13 to the right, I would also be using subtraction. So I can do them in the same step. 53 minus 13 is 40. Divide both sides by 5. 40 divided by 5 is 8, so x equals 8. Division POE. This step looks just like my proof, so I know I'm done. Find the video for page 3.